Hi guys, got a Mac keyboard in today, which had its batteries were left in there for a very long time, and not just any batteries, but the cream of the crop, these cheapy Poundland Kodak batteries. Not that I'm knocking Kodak, but this is what it hasn't been used for probably a year, the keyboard, but that's what's happened, and it's leaked into the chamber where so it leaked all in there, but I just gave it a cool clean out. But inside, I'm not sure if you can see that properly, but inside, just depends how much light we've got in there, it's rotten inside. So I've cleaned all the inside out, and it's clean enough, it should work, but however it didn't. So right, and it was also, the liquid was oozing out of the sides here. So I had a look quickly, but I thought, you know what, you can make a video somewhere else like the same problem. How do you get in there? Pretty straightforward. Get something sharp in there, and as you can see, that's what's happened. It's leaked in there. The flex has kind of, it's okay, but I want this bit here. I want that because inside it's rotten. It is rotten to the bone inside, so we need to get this out. And the way to get it out is there's a bit of, if you just look there, there's the spring or the battery connection. This will come out if this is able to be, if this can be freed up, this will come out, but we need to desolder that connection there, desolder that pop out, and maybe I could add some more metal somehow to the rotten connection inside. So let's get on with that. See if we can get it off. I'll put a little bit of flux on there to begin with while my iron is warming up. Okay, and we should be able to release that part. So sometimes you need two pairs of hands, but anyway, we've managed to release this part, and that should just fall out the other side, as you can see. So that is what is preventing it from starting up. So we'll give this a bit of a clean first, get rid of all the gunk that's on there. We'll use some of these things that we don't really use off. Well, we use them, but just to clean up some junk. Now, are we going to get a connection? Are we going to get this connection working? What I want to do now is just get this to work. Now, if you look here, this is all rotten. Actually, it's not. It's just a bit of rust build-up. So I'm going to get a fiberglass pen. See if we can. Right. Okay. So I've got this fiberglass pen. It took me a while to find it because I didn't know where it was. I don't use it that often. But I'll clean all this up afterwards. Right now, I just want to see if we can expose the metal. So we get a good connection. Okay. It doesn't have to be like brand new. We just need to expose enough metal so we get a good contact. Now I don't know if this is going to work, but all we can do is try, can't we? And do a continuity test to see if we have a connection there, a good connection. I'm sure previously there probably wasn't. If this doesn't work, then there's obviously something wrong around here. Oh, that's great, look at that actually. Can you hear the beeps? I'm sure you can. Right, so this may work now. I'll do a bit of clean up first of all. See if we can get something in there, like a cloth, something with a bit of liquid on it, with alcohol. Then push that inside there with one of these, and then it should come out the other end. Do it again. Put some more alcohol down it just to keep it moist. I've got a spray cleaner, but I just can't bother to get up and get it. Okay, and then a bit like brand new. First of all, I just want to see that this actually works, because this will make the customer extremely happy, and also I'll be happy because the customer's getting something repaired, and you know, we've been able to help them Let's see if we can re-solder this. Do we have any power? Not yet. Right, so we have no power. So what else could it be? Let's have we've got a connection, haven't we? We've got a good connection. There's no doubt about that. Right, so the connection is there, you can see. Okay, from the battery. Right, what else could it be? Let's take the batteries out for a second. Let's pop off this flex cable. See if there's any rot there. I'm not sure if that is rotten, but we'll have a look. That looks pretty clean as well. The board looks clean. I'm just going to give it a quick brush down. If there's anything there that may have leaked in, it's possible, isn't it? Just never know. Let's I'll put my gloves off now. Now the acid is kind of all gone from the battery acid, or whatever it is that leaks out of the batteries. We have light.